Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a graphic design business with Canva, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your niche in graphic design. Consider the types of services you want to offer, such as social media graphics, branding, or print materials. Research your target audience to understand their needs and preferences. Create a list of your skills and strengths to determine what sets you apart. Next, sign up for a Canva account if you don't have one already. Familiarize yourself with Canva's user interface and available tools. Explore the various templates that Canva provides for different design purposes. Customize templates to match your style and brand identity. Learn how to use Canva's design elements, such as fonts, colors, and images. Build a portfolio showcasing your best designs using Canva. Select a few projects to start with and create variations for your portfolio. Set competitive pricing for your services based on your research. Develop a business plan that outlines your goals, target customers, and marketing strategies. Create social media profiles to promote your graphic design services. Share your designs on social media and engage with your audience. Network with other professionals in the industry and join graphic design communities. Consider offering free or discounted services initially to gain experience and testimonials. Use feedback from clients to refine your skills and improve your offerings. Establish a clear process for client communication, project management, and delivery. Invest in additional resources, such as design courses or books, to further enhance your skills. Stay updated with design trends to keep your work fresh and relevant. Finally, continuously seek out new clients and projects to grow your business over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.